arithmetic and prime. Dear students, in the last class, we were discussing the chapter polynomials, right? Even we had completed that with respect to information given in NCERT textbook. And we were focusing on some of the additional sums. So in today's class, let's go for continuing that. So here I write the name of the chapter. It is.
Sir, unmute your audio.
Sir, unmute.
Unmute your audio, sir.
Unmute your audio.
Yes. And write today's date. It is 17/7/2021. Now, in today's class, we are going to focus on some very important statements which has been given in yes chart. I think yesterday the statement was, it is finding the value of a plus b plus c, right? Check it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Sir, 3 questions are over, sir.
A plus b. 1 minute, keep your notes. Just a minute.
Everyone, please listen carefully. Everyone, please listen carefully. Unnecessarily, don't unmute your audio. Unnecessarily, don't unmute your audio. If anyone doing like that, I am going to remove directly. And everyone must turn on your video. Requesting you all, please turn on your video till the end. Thank you. Sir, continue.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Yes. Total 3 were over. Now I'm going to write 4th one. Additional questions. 4th one. It is right. If a plus b plus c equal to 9, if a plus b plus c equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 40, find the value of, then find the value of, hope that you can tell yourself. Hello.
A square plus b square
A square plus b square.
A square plus b square plus c.
So remaining terms are these only. Yeah, before going to solve, just listen. Stop writing. Namit, copy it. Okay, right. Now listen to me carefully. Go through the terms given. A plus b plus c, ab plus bc plus ca, a square plus b square plus c square. समझ MV. These are the terms of which identity?
A plus b plus c whole square.
Very good. A plus b plus c whole square. I'm writing that you should not go for copying. Just you have to observe. Here, a plus b plus c whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? Now, look here. A plus b plus c is given. We can write 9 in place of that. Next, AB plus BC plus CI is given. It is 40. Here 2 is common factor. We can write it as AB plus BC plus CI. So 2 into 40. Then we can find out A square plus B square plus C square. Is it not simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, please
Sir.
go on writing it. Right. Solution. The identity to be used, it is a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square, b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2BC plus 2CA. Substitute. Where A plus B plus C is 9. I'm right. 9 whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, which is going to be found out. So that
9 square.
I write it as it is. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB is there. I write it as 2
into 40.
AB plus BC plus CA, which is 40. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, 9 square.
81.
9 square is 81. It is equal to, see, I'm writing it directly. 81. What is 42, sir?
Minus 80.
80.
Minus
80.
80. Minus 80.
Minus 80.
So A square plus B square plus 81 minus 80.
1.
So therefore, A square plus B square plus C square value is, it is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, excuse. Sir,
Yes.
please explain the 15th one in yesterday's worksheet.
First, let us finish up it.
Yes, sir.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me go for
Sir.
taking the next one. This is also important one, and it was given in the examination as well. Right. It is if A plus B plus C equal to 12 and A square plus B square plus C square. Nalpe, is this the problem?
Sir, worksheet. No, sir.
Right.
15th
Fine.
one, sir. 15th one.
15th one. Now, soon after that, we'll move on to.
Yes, sir.
Soon after this, we'll move on to that. Right. Find the
Sir,
value
also.
of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3AB.
756, sir.
Wait. Please stop writing and observe the question. Observe here. You stop ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ your work is only to hear. Go through this. Here they have given A plus B plus C value as well as A square plus B square plus C square. With these two information, we must find out the value of this statement. We know that it is a part of an identity. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, right? It is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. We know that this is exactly equal to A plus B plus C. A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. But here they are given A plus B plus C value and A square plus B square plus C square value. But AB minus BC minus CA, it is unknown. How do you?
Minus 3A BC.
Yes, very good.
Sir, by
You have to
using
find out minus
A plus B plus C whole
A plus
square.
B plus P whole square.
very good, very good. We can find out the value of minus AB minus BC minus CA by using another identity. That is
A plus B plus C
A
whole
plus
square.
A plus C whole square.
Square.
now you start writing. Start writing with me. It is, you know, two I used at a time in this. It is A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2A plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now substitute where A plus B plus C is 12. So 12 whole square. A square plus B square plus C square is 90 plus 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. Adರಲ್ಲಿ 2 common ಇದೆ. I'll write that 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. What is 12 square?
144.
144.
Transfer 90 to the left hand side. Minus 90 is 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. What is 144 minus 90?
54.
54.
4.
54.
54, sir.
Two is it?
54.
I'm going to
54
transfer
divided by 2.
right.
27.
27.
ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ ರಿಟನಾ now you tell what is AB plus BC plus CA value
27.
27.
27.
right AB plus BC plus CA equal to 27. Ora, now we got this value also. Hence you can find out AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus BABC value. Copy this. Copy this. Have you copied? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
copied?
Yes, sir.
Now, please start writing. This is equal to, we know the value of A plus B plus C. It is 12.
12.
All right, 12. We also know the value of A square plus B square plus C square. How much?
90.
90.
90.
But we do not know the value of minus AB, minus BC,
Minus CA.
E value. goes-
Minus common.
Minus 27.
Observe here. In these three terms, minus can be taken as common factor. Then remaining, it is AB plus BC plus CA. What is AB plus BC plus CA?
27.
7.
7.
Minus 27.
Minus
37.
27. Directly apply. Minus 20. It is equal to
12 into
1, 2. What is 20 minus 7?
63.
63.
63.
Minus 27? 60. Multiply.
756.
756.
756.
Very good. It is. Just a minute. Just a minute. Hello. 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 Ethical department call ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಓಕೆ it is 756 conclusion therefore AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC value is 756. Ora, please do practice this. It's important one. And somebody had asked me one question. You have it?
15th one, sir. 15th one, sir.
Sir, third one.
Also,
Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
15.
10th one, sir. 10th
Fifth
one.
one, huh?
Sir, 15, sir.
Easy.
easy, sir.
Third one, sir.
10th one,
Yes,
sir.
sir, third one.
1 minute.
Sir, third one, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
10th
yes,
one.
yes. Wait.
I'll do fifth one, sir.
Sir, 10th one, sir.
I'll do all problems. Then no problem at all.
Yes, sir.
Idiot.
That's good idea, sir.
15th one. Still, we have not yet come across to factorization. Right, sixth one it is. From your worksheet question, question is like this. Factorize 27 a cube plus 1 by 64 b cube plus 27 a square by 4b plus 9a by 16 b square. This is the question.
Sir, 3a plus 1
Sir,
by
3a plus 1 by 45.
4b whole cube.
3a plus 1 by 4b whole cube.
Now listen to me. It's very simple. Okay, write with me first. Write the first statement. It is
Cube plus b cube plus
27 a cube
3a square b
plus 1 by 64 b cube plus 27 square by 4b plus 9a by 16 b square. It is equal. You know that first term is cube, second term is also cube. 27 a cube. How do you write in cubical form?
3a cube. 3a whole cube.
3a whole cube.
3a
1 plus 1 by 4 b whole
1 by
cube.
64 b cube.
1 by 4b
whole
whole
cube.
cube.
Sir, we can copy, sir.
27 by
It is in the form a cube plus
Sir,
b
we can
cube.
copy, sir.
3a square b plus
3a
3ab
square
square.
ab square.
3ab
Check for us. Right.
Sir,
3
we can copy, sir.
is yes. Copy with me. 3a square b plus 3 ab square.
AB square.
Right. 3a it is 1 by 4b. It is 3a it is 1 by 4b. Check that whether it is correct or not. 3 square is 9.
9a.
9 3s are 27.
27.
8 square by 4b. Correct only.
Yes.
Next. See that 4 square is 16 and b square. 16b square. Then 3 3s are 9. Into
9a.
9a. Now this is in the form of an identity a cube plus
Plus
b
b
cube
cube.
plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to
A
b.
plus b
3a
whole
plus
cube.
1 by 4b whole cube.
Right. Where a is 3a, b is 1 by 4 whole cube. As it is factorization, you can write 3a plus 1 by 4b into 3a plus 1 by 4b into 3a plus 1 by 4. This is the factorization. You may write the reason of it. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to plus b whole cube.
Sir, explain third one.
Explain 14 for second one, sir. 14 means
Sir,
second.
third one, sir.
Fourth one.
Third one.
Told no. I'll solve from
Third
first
and
one.
fourth, sir.
Third one, Chitta.
Second one.
Yes, sir.
third and
Third
fourth.
and fourth.
Okay. As many are asking about third one.
Third one.
Fourth one.
Now it is seventh one. Right. It is 9 into x minus 2y whole square minus 4 into x minus 2y minus 30. Let's go for factorizing it. There I have given you the hint. That hint
X
is
minus 2y plus
2 minus y is
equal
equal
to 9.
M is equal to
18y
Yeah.
minus
right.
Sir, 3x minus 18y minus 13 into x minus 2y plus 1.
Question number continue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Let us go for assuming x minus 2y as m.
sir.
m ಅಂತ ನಾವು assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this can be written as ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 9
Nine
m square minus 4
minus
minus 2y m minus 30. And this can be factorized.
Splitting the middle term. 1 into m minus 30.
It can split the middle term.
Sir, splitting the middle.
x minus 2y plus 1.
Enough. I'm sorry. You can go for factorizing this by splitting the middle term. Here, 13 9s are. It is
Minus
117.
117.
Here minus sign is there, minus 170. Middle term is minus 4 and 9.
Minus 13 plus
9 and minus 2
minus 13.
13 and 9 only will be easier. Minus 13 into 9 is minus 170. Minus 13 plus 9 is minus 4. So now I'll write 9m square minus 4m as plus 9m minus 13m minus 13. This is equal. Group them by taking two terms. In the first
9m.
term,
9m.
is common. It is
M plus
1. Next, minus 13
13.
is common.
13 m plus 1. M plus 1.
M plus
M plus 1.
is equal to, in the whole statement, M plus 1 is common factor. The remaining, it is 9m minus 30. Yes, students, we know that what is m. ಏನಂತ assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ?
X minus
2y.
X minus 2y. It is here x
9x minus 8y.
plus 1.
9x minus 8y minus 13.
Okay. 9 into x minus 2y minus 30. Then still it can be simplified. It is
9x
x
minus 18y
minus
minus
2y
13.
plus
Plus
1 into
9x minus 18y.
9x.
Minus
Minus 18 minus
80y minus 30. This is the factorization.
Sir,
Hope that you all have
explain
understood this.
14th one, second one.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
explain once again.
One, sir.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one.
Sir, explain also.
Fourth one also.
Fourth one, sir.
Sir, explain once again, sir, this
No, no, no.
problem.
Fourth one,
Sir,
I won't
explain
go
all,
for
sir. Sir,
explaining
explain
in detail. Instead, just I'll give you the ಎಷ್ಟು simple ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ I
Yes,
tell you
sir.
that you should analyze the statement, then you'll get the answer. I'm not at all discouraging you. First, you should try your best so that I hope that you have tried, you might have not got. Hence, I'm going to give you the hint only. Don't copy anything. X cube
Sir,
plus y cube
Sir,
plus
14
9xy minus 27.
A cube plus B cube plus
Don't
C
tell.
cube.
Don't tell. Yeah, it is not a perfect cube. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ x cube plus y cube minus 27. We know that 27 is a perfect cube.
Minus 3
Minus 3 whole cube. And this is 9xy it is 3. A, B, C. A is X, B is Y, C is -3. And this
Minus
is minus.
3.
You check one, minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9 into xy 9x. Now this is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc.
3abc.
You can use the identity a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. That's all. Is it not simple?
Very simple, sir.
Very simple.
How?
And you can go for factorizing.
Easy.
14 one second man. 14 means second one, sir.
Next one. Next, I'll take from Eschand only. This was given in the examination for 1 mark. It has been given for 1 mark. Right. 8th one. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then find the value of a plus b by c plus b plus c by a plus c plus a by b. It was given in the examination for how much marks?
1 mark.
1
1
mark.
mark. Anybody want to tell the answer?
0, sir.
0.
0, sir.
0, sir. 0, sir.
0, sir.
If
I
minus
told you it is no.
3abc is
Again, you are
there,
telling the thing.
if minus 3abc, it will be 0.
What is its value? Mind calculation is enough. Pragati, don't try. Even mind and last calculate one. Such a simple one it is. Anybody? 1 mark again. You are taking much time.
0, sir.
Manya J Jain.
0, sir.
Manya A.
0.
No,
0,
I told you 0 won't come. Matte ನೀವು ಅದು 0 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Sir, 1.
No. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
minus 3.
0 1 2 3.
Sir, minus 3.
Who said this?
Minus 3,
Aditya.
sir. Gaurav, sir.
Who said? Gaurav
Gaurav.
said?
Aditya Pranamekar.
Aditya Praveen Anvekar. Very good. Aditya, how did you decide it is -3?
Sir, in first term, this a plus b by c, no, sir. So, in a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we should transpose c to right hand side. A plus b is equal to minus c. So, minus c by c is -1. Like that, if you do second, both the terms are -1 plus -1 plus -1 is -3.
Very good. Very good. I appreciate it. Really, it's correct. -3. See that how simple it is. ನನಗೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Akshay. It is. Observe here. They are given the condition a plus b equal to 0. Here just solve a plus b. What is a plus b?
Minus c.
Minus c. A plus b ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ and becomes minus. B plus c is equal to
Minus a.
Minus c.
minus b. C plus a equal to minus b.
Minus a.
A plus b is minus c. Minus c by minus c minus b. B plus c minus a. Minus a by a minus. C plus a minus b. Minus b by minus. Sorry, minus b by b minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. 1 mark ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they you have to apply your mind. You ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ necessity ಇದಲ್ಲ. This is such a simple one. But when it is given for 2 marks, you have to write in detail. A plus b equal to minus c, b plus a equal to minus a, then c plus a equal to minus 1. Then you go for substitute. Clear up? This can be given either for 1 mark or for 2 marks.
Sir, explain once again.
right? We need to take substitution for B's. Hence, I'll take the given statement. A plus B plus C equal to 0. Then A plus B is equal to minus B. Next, A is equal to minus A. Then C plus A equal to minus B. Next, after that, let us go for taking the given state. Right here. It is A plus B by C plus B plus C by A. C plus A by B. It is equal to. Now you will substitute. A plus B is minus
Minus
C
C.
by C plus B plus C is minus A by A plus C plus A is minus B by B. Here I'll continue. Minus E by C is minus 1, minus A by A is minus 1 into plus is minus 1. Minus B by B is minus 1 into plus is minus 1. This is minus 3. This is the value.
Sir, excuse.
Shall I take up next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still some of you are writing. Afrin Sheikh, finished? Prashast? Hey, have you finished? Still you are writing. Prashast? Renka? Very good. Shreya D? Okay, good, good. Shreyas Kambal, sorry, Kulambi? Finished? Okay. Prithvi? Not yet finished. Copy that quickly. Okay. Now, I'll go for taking the next statement. This is very nice, and this was also given in the examination as well. No need to put star mark because what all the additional problems I've been giving, all are important in the examination point of view. Right. Right. X minus 2y is equal to 11. X minus 2y equal to 11 and xy equal to 8. Then find the value of x cube minus 8y. Can you find it out?
Mama.
Have you got Lavanya? Have you got the answer? No. Okay. Aniket. Aniket.
Ma.
See, if unwanted sound is coming from your side, please mute the audio. Jaknoor,
Sir,
yeah, have you got?
no, sir. Solving. Sir.
Solving, taking must type.
Sir, 11x cube minus 2y cube, 2y whole cube.
Bhumika L. Are you trying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carry on. Okay, many of you are thinking. Okay, let me go for explaining it.
1859.
Very good. Who is this?
Sarthak.
Sarthakadi. Very good. It's correct. Dear students, just observe. Don't go for copying. Here, they are given the statement that x minus 2y value is 11. Xy value is 8. With this information, we have to find out the value of x cube minus 8y cube. Just by observing this, you can come to know it is in the form of an identity.
A
minus b minus
A cube minus B cube.
Yes, a cube minus b cube.
b cube.
Please observe the board. For your reference, I am writing. Don't copy. It is in the form a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus
Plus
ab.
A.
Now, I'm going to expand. Okay. X cube minus 8y cube. This can be written as x cube minus 2y whole cube.
Whole cube.
2y whole cube. So A is x, B is 2y, and substitute it. X minus
X
2y, then A square. It is x whole square
X whole square.
plus B square. B is
2y
2y.
square.
2y whole square. A into B.
X into
X
2y.
into 2y. Now, again, it will be simplified. X minus 2y into, this can be written as
X square.
X square.
plus
4y square.
4y square.
2xy.
2xy.
x square. You know the value of x minus 2y.
11.
11.
11.
Well, and you also know the value of xy.
2 into 11.
2 into 8.
It is a 16.
8. But do you know the value of this?
No, sir.
Is unknown. X square
We
plus
have
4y square value is
Unknown.
unknown.
Square plus b
Which means that we do not know the value of a square plus b square.
square plus b square.
A square plus b square.
A square plus
Square plus B square plus 2A.
A plus B whole
A plus B whole
plus
square.
b
B
whole
whole square.
A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you can find out a square plus b square value when you know a plus b whole square and 2ab. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll go for taking this x square plus 2y whole square. To find out its value, I'm going to use x plus 2y whole square. X minus 2y whole square, because we know the value of x minus 2y. X minus 2y whole square is equal to, it is of the form a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2y. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is x minus 2y?
11.
11.
11 whole square.
11 whole square. We want the value of this. So it as it is. X square plus
2y whole square.
2y whole square minus 2 2s are 4
4xy.
into xy. What is xy value?
8. 4
8,
into 8.
8. What is
32.
11?
1,131.
121. 8 4.
32.
32.
32.
Minus 32.
Plus 32.
Plus 32.
It is x square plus 2y whole square. What is 121?
153. 153.
153.
153.
153.
x square
Square
plus
plus 2x
4y square RL
4y square.
whole square. Now I'm substitute that here. Look here, x square plus 4y square, it is
153.
150 plus it is 2 into 8. It's equal to 153 plus 8 twos are 16.
16.
It is 11 into 153 plus 16.
69.
169.
169.
11 nines are 99. 9.
1859.
66 plus 9.
1859.
1859.
1859.
11 6 are 66 plus 9. 75. 7. Also 11 plus 7. 18.
180.
1850. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, explain once again.
Sir, the board is blurred, sir.
Ah, yes, yes. Board is only not good.
No, sir.
It's
Yes,
proper.
students. Now we will go for copy from here.
Sir, explain once again.
Okay, I'll go for explaining. Copy from this. First, you'll go for finding the value of x square plus 2y whole square. Because you know that here we have substitution for x minus 2y and xy. We do not know this. That is to be found out by using x minus 2y equal to 11. X minus 2y whole square equal to x whole square plus 2y whole square minus 2 into x into 2y. Where x minus 2y is 11, 11 square equal to x square plus 2y whole square. You can write it as it is. Even you may write it as 4y square. Minus here 2 2s are 4. X into y is 8. Next, 11 square is 121. 8 4s are 32. Transfer minus 32 to the left hand side, it becomes plus 30. That's equal to x square plus 2y whole square. Then 121 plus 32 is 153 equal to x square plus 2y whole square. That one part is over. Next, concentrate from here. Start writing from here. For your reference, I have written the identity. Directly we can copy from here also. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Then you are going to find out the value of x cube minus 8y cube. It has written as x cube minus 8y cube is written as 2y whole.
2y whole.
A is x, B is 2y. Now you write x minus 2y, then x square plus 2y whole square plus AB, x into 2. This is x minus 2y, next x square plus 4y square plus 2xy. X minus 2y is 11, then x square plus 4y square. We have found out the value, it is 150. 153 plus 2 into xy, 2 into where xy is 8. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 163, 169 into 11, 1859.
59.
The value of x cube minus 8y cube is this much. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll go for giving you next one. And this was also asked in the exam. 10th one. 10th one is also interesting. You come to know why it is. Right. Factorize x raised to the power 4 minus, sorry, x raised to the power 8 minus y raised to the power 8. You know for how much marks?
1 mark.
1 or 2.
One mark.
Marker 2 mark. 1 mark. 1 mark. 1 mark.
Right.
Half of.
No, quarter marks, not half marks. Right. X raised to the power 8 minus y raised to the power 8. Could you tell which identity can be used?
A minus B.
A minus B whole cube.
A minus B whole
A
square.
cube minus
A
A
square
cube minus B cube.
A square minus
A
B
square
square.
A square minus B square.
A square minus
A minus B square.
Square minus b square.
base of square we should
minus
put
B
8 sir.
You are, most of you are very clever because you are telling most of the identities and you are giving chance me to choose. So I should choose correct one.
MCQ.
A square minus B square.
No MCQ. MCQ ನಲ್ಲಿ either 3 or 4 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಈಗ.
Choose the correct option.
Pick the right. Choosing, picking.
Pick a right identity.
Niharika, idiot fellow, listen to me. Observe. Here, x raised to the power 8, y raised to the power 8. Just by observing these two, you can come to know that there are two terms in between minus sign. We have some chances. One is a square minus b square, and another one is a cube minus b cube. No
A
MCQ.
cube minus B cube.
A cube minus b
A
cube.
square minus
A
B
cube
square.
minus B cube.
Square minus.
Square minus
A cube minus b
I have
square.
not asked you the question. We have only these two chances. And because this statement can be expressed either in the form of first or second. Check mark.
Square. Square.
To the power 8. Is it possible to write in cubical form?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No
A
sir.
square minus square.
Yes sir.
It can be written in square form as x
Power
to the
4
power
Or
4
whole to the power 2.
whole square. Clear? Now
Yes sir.
please start writing with. Abhinandan, start writing with me. Similarly, y raised to the power 8 can be written as y
Power
raised
4
to the power
to the power 2.
whole square. Now, this is exactly of the form a square minus b square and can be expanded as a plus b.
B
plus B
into
whole
A
square.
minus B.
Here I'm writing. A plus b. A is x raised to the power 4 plus b is y raised to the power 4 into
Whole power 2.
raised to the power 4 minus b y raised to the power 4. Next. Can it be simplified further? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
No sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Sir. Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes. I'll answer the question to Abhinandan.
Yes
Sir, how?
Sir, x square whole square minus y square whole square.
I'm asking Abhinandan.
Sir?
Oh, hey, idiot fellow, what you are doing? Yes, sir, yes, sir. You are nodding your head like this. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sir,
Once I ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. As you said yes, now you tell how it can be simplified further.
x raised to the power minus
Abhinandan,
Sir, x square
Abhinandan.
is
Sir, 4 will be cancelled by 2.
sir.
Abhinandan, can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Or no, sir. Only two options. How do you go for expanding this, Abhinandan?
A plus a square plus b square
What you are saying?
Sir,
Is-
x power of 4 minus y power of 4 whole square.
I tell. Here.
Sir, only
x
second
raised to the power 4 as it
Second
is,
term.
but y raised to the power 4 as it is, whereas
Say x
raised
square
to
whole
the
square.
power 4 can be written as
X square whole square.
whole minus
Y
raised
square
to the
whole
power
square.
4 can be written as y square whole square. Now continue. पंचोत्तरी बरीता हो गया. X raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 into now a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b as x square plus y square into x square minus y square. Prithvi. Shreyake,
Yes, sir.
can it be simplified further?
Yes, sir.
Shreya KR.
Yes,
How?
yes, sir.
How?
X square plus y square whole square.
Rachit,
Sir.
Sir, shall I?
can it be simplified?
Yes,
No,
sir.
Yes, sir.
I have given chance to Rachit. He is going to tell.
Sir,
Rachit,
x square plus y square whole square, sir.
X plus y whole square.
Sir, could I?
Yes.
X whole
Sir, x
Sir,
square
could I-
minus y square is there, no, sir? A square
Ah.
minus b square. So x plus y into x minus y.
That's all. That's all. This is explain one. Right. X raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 into x square plus y square. X square minus y square is after form. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Here it is x plus y into x minus y.
Sir, if we not simplified, nothing will happen, sir.
It was given in the examination form 1 mark.
Sir, we can also write then x power 4 plus y power 4 into x power 4 minus y power 4. It's compulsory to simplify, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, only 2 steps we cannot write, sir.
Wait. Once you tell, once you ask.
Sir, we can write only x power 4 plus y power 4 into x power 4 minus y power 4. It is compulsory to
Only
simplify,
this.
sir.
It should be because it should be it can be simplified. No? Therefore, it should be continued.
Yes, sir.
Akshay.
Sir, how much we can simplify, we should simplify, sir.
Yes. Till then, it should be continued.
Sir, if it
Yes,
is not
sir.
simplified,
Shall I repeat?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'll give you another important statement. Right. 11th one. And this is also very nice statement. And the statement is very simple for 1 mark. Factorize. Right. X minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube.
a plus a cube plus b cube plus.
Sir, a cube plus b cube plus
A cube plus B cube plus C cube.
ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. You are assuming yourself. Listen to me. Jacknod, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Within 10 minutes only you can tell the answer. I'll ask you the question. First, listen to me carefully. What is this factorization? tell that factorization directly. Please give 5 seconds please give work to your mind for 5 seconds, and within remaining 5 seconds you have to tell that.
Sir, minus 3 x square y square z
Minus
square.
3x.
Square y square.
No,
Sir, x square minus.
3 into x minus
Y minus z and z minus y sir. Z minus x
Sir,
1 minute.
so
One
3
sir.
into x minus
ready
y,
to tell?
x minus z, z minus x.
Don't tell. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ it will be disturbance for others. You just get the permission from my side, then afterwards you can tell the answer. Anybody?
Sir, Ranjan.
Who is this?
Sir, Ranjan.
Ranjan, tell.
So 3 into x minus y, y minus z into z minus x.
Really, I appreciate you, but I want to know, how did you get this?
Sir, there x cube is there, sir. So x minus y whole cube can be written as 3 into x minus y, and more so there y minus z and z minus x is also multiplied by 3 to y minus z into z minus x.
Power 3. It is power 3. No multiplication
Sir,
at all.
it is in form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, sir. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we can write it a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc.
Very good.
Yes sir.
Sir, then 3abc is 3x minus y into y minus z into z minus x.
Okay, but how did you decide a plus b plus c equal to 0?
Sir,
Jagrod.
x minus y plus y minus z, z minus x is 0 only, no sir. X minus x, y minus
Very
z.
good. Very good. Just observe here. Here, x. We all know that if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This is the well-known conditional identity. Here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. I take a, b, and c. A is x minus y, b is y minus z, c is z minus x. Now, x and x, y and y, minus z and plus z, get cancelled. A plus b plus c equal to 0. Then this is equal to 3abc. So 3 into a is x minus y, b is y minus z, c is z minus x. Is it not simple? Huh?
Yes sir.
Yes. For how much marks?
1 mark.
1 mark. 1 mark.
Other than that,
1 mark.
other than that, for 2 marks. Got it? 2, you'll have to write all the steps. For 1 mark, direct factorization. 3 into a, b, c can be written as 3 into x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Because this is 0. It is step number 3. This is half mark, and this is half mark. 1 mark will be allotted like this. Clear?
Sir, if 2
Yes,
marks
sir.
will be then what should be write, sir?
Huh?
If 2 marks will be there, what should be write, sir?
I am going to give you the steps now. Right. Right. Solution. Here, as it is 3 terms which are in cubical form, I go for assuming that a equal to x minus y, b is equal to y minus z, and c is equal to z minus x. Next, right, a plus b plus c, it is equal to, here, a plus b plus c is, a is x minus y, b is y minus z, and c is z minus x. Cancel. So it's y1. It is 0. Now we got b plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube can be written as 3abc, where a is x minus y, and 4 cube is the right. B is y minus z, 4 cube. C is x whole cube. That's equal to 3abc. 3 into x minus 5 into y minus z into z minus x. Over.
Yes, sir.
Department of marks
Yes, sir. Over.
for assuming and writing half marks, and for showing a plus b plus c equal to 0. Half marks using identity. Half marks substitution. Half marks count. Prithvi, for how much marks? Prithvi,
2 marks.
2 marks. Marks will be allotted like. Shall I take up next one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನೇ this is simple only. Right.
Sir.
Right. Factorize. What's the question number?
12.
Factorize. It is x minus a whole plus x minus b whole cube plus x minus whole cube minus 3 x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Anybody would like to
Minus
tell?
a whole cube plus x minus b whole cube plus x minus c whole cube.
Wait.
A cube minus b cube minus
It is
a
a
cube
form
plus
of
b cube plus
a
c cube
cube.
minus c.
Don't tell. Don't tell. Just observe. A cube plus c cube minus 3ab. Arushi, expand that.
Sir, a plus b plus c, then a square plus b square plus c square, then minus ab minus bc minus ca.
Correct. Let us go for using that identity for expanding. Right. First only I'll go for using identity. Identity ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. For your reference, I'm going to write. Right. It is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now start writing. This is given statement is it is x minus a whole cube plus x minus b whole cube plus x minus c whole cube minus 3 into x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. This is equal to, dear students, please observe. Could you tell what is in place of a?
X minus a.
X minus a.
X minus
In
a.
place of b.
X minus
What is in
b.
place of c?
X minus 3.
Substitute. A plus b plus c. It is x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c into a square plus b square plus c square. It is x minus a whole square. Please go on writing with me. Don't be lagging. ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನೋ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it is easy for understanding. A square plus b square plus c square. X minus a whole square plus x minus b whole square plus x minus c whole square. Next, minus AB minus BC minus CA. So minus AB minus x minus A into x minus B minus BC, x minus B into x minus C minus CA, x minus C into x minus A. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can it be simplified?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1x
3x minus A minus B minus
3x.
X
One
is
is-
common.
3x minus A
3x,
minus B minus C.
3x minus
minus A
minus B minus C.
minus C. Next. Here, can it be simplified?
Yes, sir.
Right formula. A minus B whole.
Very good. Boy, wait, and give chance. Others, you just continue. Rutusri, could you explain this? X minus A whole square. Quick again. Quick as possible. Okay. Mohita.
X square minus C square.
Yes. Next.
Sir, can I?
X minus A whole square.
X square
X square.
plus A square
A square.
minus 2 X
2.
X
XA.
Or A. See that it is of the form A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2A. So it can be written as x square plus A square minus 2AX. Similar. Just I'll go for continue. You can also write it. Right. X square plus B square minus 2BX. Dhanush, are you writing? Dhanush, tell this. X minus C whole square. Pick again.
X square minus C square
2C.
2CX.
X square plus C square, not minus C square. Then minus 2CX. Next, you have to multiply these. Calculation is a bit more. Write it carefully. It is minus half. X minus A
X
into
square.
X minus B.
X square plus B plus AB.
X square minus BX minus AX plus AB. Did you understand?
So you can also take X plus A into X plus B.
Yes. But this will be easy. Afterwards, chance of cancellation.
Okay.
Here, we have multiplied X with X, X with minus B, A with X, and minus A with minus B. Similarly, follow for these also. You continue multiply. I'm continuing here. I'm not putting equal sign. There it is, minus. Now I'm multiplying X minus B and X minus B. Right? It should be
X
inside the
square.
bracket.
X
X
square
square minus CX minus BX plus BC. Written up. Next, one more term. X minus A into X minus, sorry, X minus A into X minus A. Right. Minus some.
X square
Right. Gautami, sorry, Bhumika L. ಇದು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? X minus A into X minus A.
X square.
X square
X square
X square
Minus
minus
AX
AX
minus A
minus AX
minus CX
minus CX
plus CA.
plus
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 A
C.
and close with square bracket. Now this is equal to, write this, 3x minus A minus B minus C. Put square bracket. Now I'm going to take like terms. Please stop writing and observe them. And now I explain what you correct. Then whenever I'm going to write, in that time you should write. Like terms. It is x square. It is 1x square. 1x square.
3x square.
3x square. Right. 3x square. Next. Look here. A square.
Only a square.
B square. C square. I'll write it separately. Right. Plus
B square
A square plus B square plus C square. Next further. Minus 2ax minus 2bx minus 2cx.
2
Right.
8ax bx into c.
Common third of because still we have to simplify. Right.
8.
Minus 2ax
8ax
minus 2bx minus 2cx. Next. In minus side is here. Minus of
Multiply with minus.
you have to multiply all the terms by minus.
Minus.
Then sign get changed. Here. Plus x square is there.
Minus x square.
Minus x square.
Right. Next. Minus bx is there into minus plus bx. Please write with me. I'm just going to talk with minus ax
plus a
plus ab minus a. I try though. Next, and is minus. Here, minus of this a.
minus x square
Minus
plus cx
Cx.
plus cx
Akshay.
Yes, sir.
plus bc.
Minus x square minus plus cx
Very good.
plus bx
Correct.
minus bc.
Very good. Next, let us give chance to Sanchana ji. Now,
Yes, sir.
multiply minus all these.
Minus x square plus ax
Okay.
plus cx
Okay.
minus ca.
Right. Close with square bracket. Over.
Yes, sir.
The statement may be lengthy, but it is easy. Look here. 3x square is there. Now, please observe the ball. Minus x square. Samal, your concentration should be here. Minus 1x square. Minus 1x square. Minus 1x square. How much?
Cancel. Minus 3x square.
Minus 3x square
Minus 3x square. Here.
plus 3x
3x.
square get cancels.
Cancel.
Direct cancel mode. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
observe. This is ax. It is 1ax. How much?
2ax.
Ax.
Cancel.
Minus 2ax. Cancel. Next.
bx.
Sir, cx.
bx cancel.
bx big.
And here follow ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. bx 1bx 1bx. How much?
2bx.
2bx minus
2bx
minus 2bx. It cancel.
Next.
cx.
6x
2cx.
2cx.
You are not looking at the board. ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. You should also observe here. 1cx 1cx.
2cx 2cx
And that minus 2cx.
Cancel.
get cancel.
Minus ab minus bc minus ca. Remain.
Remaining minus
AB minus BC minus
A
CA.
square plus B square plus C square
A square plus
minus AB minus BC minus C.
right? 3x minus A minus B minus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Further, this
No
much.
No,
simplification,
sir.
sir.
Shall I give it for test?
Yes, sir.
Not,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Will be given.
No, sir.
Practice aggravated. You must practice this one. It will also be given.
Tomorrow you will give, sir, this one only.
Oh, how clever you are. Maybe
Don't
Sir,
ask.
don't give.
Don't
week-
tell, sir.
Sir,
don't
don't
give,
give
sir.
in weekly test, sir.
I
Give
don't,
in
sir.
periodic test.
Yes,
But
sir.
you
give.
practice
Please
and
give.
you give for weekly test or else monthly test.
Sir, monthly
Sir,
test. sir.
portion.
Next, right, last problem of this
From
chapter.
identity.
Last problem of this chapter. Just a minute. Hello. Hello. Ah. Two seconds.
Sir, from Monday biology class.
Next one. This is the last problem of this chapter.
Sir, it is also a big, sir, like.
Just one information for you all. If any technical issues are there, I have given you the technical department number. Please call to that number. Nani call madbedi. In between, I cannot receive oftenly. Right. This is simplify. Simplify. Last problem of this chapter. Simplify. A square minus B square whole cube. A square minus B square whole cube. Plus B square minus C square whole cube. Plus C square minus A square whole cube. All divided by A minus B whole cube plus B minus C whole cube plus C minus A whole cube. Ora? Yes. Anybody want to tell?
Sir, answer is A plus B whole cube plus B plus C whole cube plus C plus A whole cube.
It is correct only. It's very simple.
Sir, answer is A plus B and B plus C and C plus A, sir.
It will be A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. Look at A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This is equal to 3ABC.
3ABC.
But only if A plus B plus C equal to 0. Right. We know that if A plus B plus C equal to, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Right. Next, here I'll write A square minus B square plus B square minus C square plus C square minus A square. A square, C square, C square, B square, B square. It cancels 0. Next, similarly, denominator A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A, B, B, C, C, it cancels 0. I'll write the given statement. It is A square minus B square whole cube plus B square minus C square whole cube plus C square minus A square whole cube. Denominator A minus B whole cube plus B minus C whole cube plus C minus A whole cube. Have you written?
Sir.
Yes. Now, this is equal. Look here. You can A plus B plus C equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. I can write it as 3ABC. Are you all following?
Yes, sir.
ABC 3 into A. In this A is A square minus B square. B is B square minus C square. Into C is C square minus A square. Denominator also. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Here A plus B plus C equal to 0. Therefore, 3ABC. 3 into A minus B. Next, B minus C into C minus A. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled. Can it be simplified further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you write A square minus B square?
A plus B into A
A
minus
plus
B.
B into A.
A plus B into A minus B. Write with me. B square minus C square.
B plus C into B minus
B minus C. C square minus A square. C
C
plus
minus
C
B into C plus.
Write the denominator. Denominator, it is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Now,
A plus B, B plus C into C.
Cancel.
wait. Here I am cancelling. A minus B, A minus, get cancelled. B minus C, B minus, get cancelled. C minus C, C minus, get cancelled.
A plus B into B plus C into C plus A.
Yes, A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. How much marks?
2 marks.
2 marks, sir. It can also be given for one.
Or
Previous
3
one.
Two
marks.
mark.
3
Previous
marks.
one, 2.
Previous
3
one.
marks.
Previous one for 3 marks.
3 marks.
10 marks.
3 and this is for 2 marks.
2
You must
marks.
practice both. Any one of these two will be given.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir.
Please give 13th one.
Tomorrow test from identity, sir.
Yes, from identity, full
Till
chapter
here.
up to here
25 marks, sir.
for 25 marks. Have you copied this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, students, we have come across very important problems in this chapter, particularly additional sums what I have given. Please do practice. Those will enhance your skill of calculation, skill of analyzation, and skill of using the identities. Got it? So please do practice. And tomorrow, test timing, it is from 7:30 to 8:45. 7:30 to 8:45. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the test, once I've been reminding the test syllabus from algebraic identity to the end of the lesson.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please send yesterday's video.
Prashant, sir,
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, please send today's recorded video.
1 minute.
Yes,
Prashant,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, is it possible to get the video class, recorded class video today?
Tomorrow I'll send all those videos, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we want today.
You want, but of course, sir has already uploaded all the videos.
Yes, sir.
YouTube, it is not at all opening because of some issues. So we do not know actual proper reason. Sir knows that. So he has told me to. He has told me that videos tomorrow only. So I'll give you all those videos within tomorrow. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.